Exciting announcement. TapCoin new airdrop. Hey everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing the TapCoin airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you, a free giveaway. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below. Now, let's jump into the video. TapCoin airdrop and listing date 2025. Everything you need to know. The TapCoin Web3 platform, built on the powerful TON network, is gearing up for one of its biggest moments yet in 2025. This game-changing event will see the launch of the highly anticipated TapCoin airdrop and the official listing of the $TPS token on major crypto exchanges. This milestone marks a new era for TapCoin, and for users, it's a golden opportunity to earn rewards, trade tokens, and become active participants in the rapidly growing TapCoin ecosystem. Key details: TapCoin airdrop and $TPS exchange listing. When is it happening? The TapCoin airdrop and exchange listing is officially set for 2025. While the exact date is still under wraps, the month is poised to be a major turning point for the TapCoin ecosystem. What to expect? 1. Multi-phase airdrop. Eligible users will receive $TPS tokens by completing in-app tasks and challenges. The more you engage with TapCoin activities, the greater your potential rewards. Boost your daily combo and complete bounties to maximize airdrop bonuses. 2. $TPS token exchange listings. After the initial airdrop phase, $TPS will go live on select trading platforms. The team aims to roll out listings on larger exchanges in the weeks following the launch. 3. How to get ready. To prepare and earn the most from the airdrop, increase your TapCoin daily combo by staying active in the app. Complete daily bounties for bonus rewards and a better airdrop tier. Looking ahead, TapCoin roadmap for 2025 and beyond. The launch is just the beginning. TapCoin has a bold roadmap lined up for the future, packed with features designed to enhance both user experience and earning potential. 1. TapCoin application platform. A seamless interface for third-party app integration. Strategic partnerships across the Web3 ecosystem to broaden TapCoin's utility. 2. Staking and passive income. Users will soon be able to stake $TPS tokens for steady passive rewards. New incentives and yield options will encourage long-term engagement. 3. TapCoin DAO, community governance. A decentralized governance model will allow users to vote on platform decisions. Transparency and user empowerment are at the core of TapCoin's future. Final thoughts. A new chapter begins. 2025 will be a defining year for TapCoin. With the airdrop and exchange listing on the horizon, anticipation is building across the community. The listing price for $TPS will be revealed closer to launch, adding even more excitement. As TapCoin evolves, expect a steady stream of new features, ecosystem expansions, and earning opportunities that will position it as a key player in the world of Web3 gaming and digital assets. Stay tuned, stay active, and get ready to level up your Web3 journey with TapCoin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the TapCoin airdrop in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. **